Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Taney County, southeastern Stone County, until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Robertson Hollow, or 10 miles south of Kimberling City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Table Rock Lake, Blue Eye, Ridgedale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, Stone and